Hi, this is Nicole Neumann. I'm from the Home Base Peddler, and I would like to show you the Jacob's ladder, and the tutorial came from Mixedupcraft. I'm gonna show you first of all the pages, and then I'll show you how it works. It's beautiful cards, it's easy to make, and it's like mass production. So you do all the pages exactly the same way, and then after that they kind of come together. And so I decided to close it with a piece of ribbon. And the ribbon, you cannot attach the piece of ribbon because otherwise it's going to be in the way of your ladder. I'm going to put the paper that I use, I'm going to put it in my description below. So this is my first page. And then after that you get the second page and the third page here. And you see I have 3 pieces of ribbon. All the decoration, they have to balance between the 2 ribbons. And if the ladder doesn't undo by itself, it's because it's not balanced enough. Then after that it opens up like this. So you have the 2 next ones. And I took the whole collection. It was a pack. Yeah, it's a pack. I can't remember the name. I'll get back to you. And then this is actually where we're gonna sign. I'm just gonna roll it. I'm just gonna roll it so I can. No. I'm gonna roll this back. I'm gonna roll it back so I can show you properly the other side. This is what it does. It goes from one side to the other, and when you make it, you can't just turn your whole cards on the other side, because otherwise first of all, these pieces won't be at the right place because they switch, and second of all, the papers will be on the wrong side. They'll be upside down. So I'm trying to move this back there. Okay, I'm holding it like this. So this is the first side. And then the second side is this one. I'm going to show them to you individually. Actually, when I showed them to you individually the first time, it wasn't properly set up, so I'm just gonna redo the front. I'll show you the front again, because this was showing the first time, but it shouldn't be there. It shouldn't have been on the other side. This is actually where we're gonna sign. That's the end of it. So you have different, and you can add. What I wanted to do is I've been doing a physiotherapy for an accident I had 10 years ago, and I have this whole team of people, and then you have the receptionist, the physiotherapist, is 2 assistants, and then you have all kinds of people that are working at the clinic. So I wanted to have each page to have their own name on it, and it would have been nice to have it like that. So when I personalize it, I'm gonna put each of their own name on it. So I'm just gonna get it rolled again. I'm not used to it. I'm not see, when I show you the other side there, it's upside down and the pieces of ribbon are at their wrong place. So you can't just turn around and I'll show you how it is. It's not like that at all. So like this one, it goes like this. So this is each pieces, and everything is balanced. The lady Sam from Mixedupcraft, she actually did one with flowers on it, and she had a little bit of dimension, and it still worked. I didn't want to put any dimension on it, not much, so I put my stickers right like that. But it's still gonna work if you want to put some dimensions on it. So I hope you like my card, and I hope you're gonna press the like button. And I thank you for watching, and have a great day.